Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find password and security. Then let's tap on system security. Let's scroll down and enter credential storage. As you can see at the bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which means that we just successfully removed all user certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.